and I need to do my hair, and I feel like maybe I'll move faster if I'm making a video out of it, because it takes me forever to do my hair. So hopefully this works. So for this first part of this video, I am going to about to do a heatless blowout. So I have already washed my hair. It's clean, it's moisturized, and then after I did that, I twisted it up and let it dry overnight, and hopefully it's all dry. It feels like it, but I don't know, we'll see. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this heatless blowout to get ready to do mini twists. I had to find my scrunchy things. I didn't have any small ones, so we're just gonna double these ones over. I'm gonna take this down again. And I found my other earring. If you guys didn't notice that I didn't have an earring on. So I'm gonna start from the back because that's just gonna be easier, so the hair isn't laying on top of the other hair. It's still a bit damp, of course, but it'll dry. Naturals know, at least type 4 naturals know, it is better for us to manipulate our hair when wet. So if you are type 4, you want to do this very slowly, because you don't want to mess your hair up. And I'm taking the twist out, and I'm going to do one half of like the twist and then the other half, because I'll make the sections smaller. And you can hear my brother. Excuse him. He knows I'm making a video, but yeah, I'll be nice to him because he's watching Baby Logan right now. So. This is a small section. Look at it. This is a little small section. Hopefully y'all can see it. Now I gotta do the whole rest of my head. This is gonna be a job. So anyways, guys, we haven't posted in like a week. I think it's only been a week. So a week isn't too long, but y'all know sometimes we'll post like a bunch in a week, and that's when we have like posted a bunch of videos. And then other times we're like gone, and we need to stop that. We need to come up with a schedule. But yeah, the other day, I had to go. I think it was last week. Last week I had to go to the hospital. So. I had to be rushed to the hospital. I had to call 911 and everything. But I'll tell you guys that story later. My ears feel like they need some moisture on them. Let me make sure I'm getting to the roots. Y'all, I try to figure out how to do my own hair because I can't go to beauty salons because I always have a bad experience. So I usually stay away from beauty salons. I don't know if my hair looks moisturized or not, but it is. You guys see. Let's see, can I put the light? Okay, y'all, so I got like, I'm not even in the middle of my hair yet. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go and do like the middle part, and then I'll come out to do like the front. Whew. Okay, y'all, so I did my whole head except for the front part. A tip that I would give if you are going to do this type of heatless blowout is to make sure your hair is fully moisturized, like definitely fully moisturized, because you're gonna have to be combing through it when it's, you know, dry. So you want to make sure it's fully moisturized and fully in all caps, fully detangled, because that will save you a lot of breakage and a lot of time. Because if you have like tangles and all that type of stuff, that is gonna make this 10 times harder. It's gonna take longer, and it's just going to mess your hair up. I've been natural for 3 years now. I'll insert a picture of what I started with right here. I know, y'all. Yep, 3 years of hair growth. I don't know if I finished saying why I don't like going to beauticians. Not only because like I had like, well, it is because I had bad experience, but I didn't like go into details of why. Some beauticians don't have the patience to do natural hair. Like, they don't know how to detangle, so they don't detangle right. So they won't start from the ends of your hair. And you need somebody who's gonna start from the ends of your hair and work their way up, because tangles, especially in type 4 hair. I don't know, everybody who does my hair just try to like, I guess hurry up and get it over with, because I ain't gonna lie, my hair is a job. Like, y'all see how much hair? I have a lot of hair and it's very dense. So I know it takes a while, but you need to take your time and do what you're supposed to do as if you were doing anybody else's hair, because I'm paying you to do it. My hair costs, to get my hair done, like fully done, blow out everything, that is about $80, $85. So I'm paying you to do it. So have some patience on my head, please. Honestly, I don't like getting my hair done at all, because I'm so tender-headed and like everything hurts my head. Like, I like having braids, but I hate getting braids. Like, I hate that first few days because it hurt. I hate the smell of grease. I don't like to look at my scalp and see that it's like tight. I don't like to see it shiny. Like, I don't like to see the grease in between the scalp. I don't like heat on the scalp. I don't like cold fingers on my head while they're doing my braids. I don't like walking outside with I don't like getting my hair done and then walking outside in the wintertime and the cold hit my parts. I don't like getting my hair done, getting braids, and then walking outside in the summertime and heat hits my parts. Like, I just don't like getting my hair done. I just like not having to do my hair though when it is in those braids out. So why you ain't tell me I was like slouched down with that? I got way too comfortable, way too fast, right? I know, but I'm trying to hurry up. What time is it? It's 12:54. Like, y'all thought I was about to hurry up and rush through it, didn't you? Gotcha. But I wanted to be done and started my mini twist by 1 o'clock, because I feel like if I start by 1 o'clock, I should be done by 5 o'clock. I don't think it should take that long, but I don't know. And I really want to do something for being Corey's anniversary. Oh look, you did such a good job at you know, doing what you're supposed to do. What, girl? So, y'all. So this, woo. This is my heatless blowout. I have so much hair. Let me do it. I'm gonna have to do a 180 because I don't think this chair will go all the way around, but I'll turn around as much as I can. Oh, I might can get a 360. Wait, I'm stuck. I'm doing too much. Oh crap, I'm about to knock everything over. I forgot that move. Anyway, y'all know I'm gonna end up having a permanent part. Now y'all naturals know I'm gonna end up having a permanent part down the middle of my head because I keep parting it right down the middle. But anyway, so that is the end of this video. I'm about to do mini twists and I think I'm gonna film that too. But yeah, so this is how you get your heatless blowout. Don't forget all the stuff I said. Don't forget to moisturize your hair before, like after you wash it. Make sure you moisturize your hair really good. Make sure you detangle all the way, like no tangles left. Then you can do your little separate twist so your hair can dry overnight. Well, that's how I did mine. Make sure my hair dry overnight. Then in the morning or whenever your hair is dry, you already know what to do next. And take your time. Be patient with your hair, especially if you have so much hair as mine. But what time is it? 1:04, y'all. I gotta start doing my hair. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I probably won't do them that often because my hair is just, it's such a job to do. Like, see, I told y'all, see, my hair is moisturized. But, okay, that's enough. See you guys in the next video. I just did too much. Sometimes I get on my own nerves.